Here's the red flags of a charlatan educator who pushes the inversion narrative and is essentially working for the broker. Day trading always works. Well, we know it doesn't always work because the trader is a slave to volatility, and the trader doesn't tell the market what's possible, the market tells the trader what's possible. Remember our euro-dollar example? 106, buy and sell for the next 250 trading days. Buy at 106, sell at 106. If there's no volatility, you can't make money. Impossible. So day trading doesn't always work. In fact, it works in the minority of cases. It only works in history in the last 15 years, 20% of times. And that is a statistical analysis. You can't argue with it. We're looking at US equities specifically and the major Forex pairs. And 80% of the time, it hasn't worked. The odds are not in your favor. So what does that mean? You're being told the inversion narrative.